Okay guys, we're gonna start the sauce. I'm just gonna do it over here because there's quite a bit of ingredients and I just wanna make sure I don't forget anything. We're gonna start off with 2 tablespoons of butter. We're gonna let this melt down and just over medium to high heat. This doesn't have to be, okay, now that that's somewhat melted, we're gonna add 3 cloves of garlic minced. Just gonna saute that just to make it fragrant. Just takes about 30 seconds or so, not too much time. Okay, it's already coming to a sizzle. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of pure honey, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. You can use a light if you want. I like to use the full flavor. Okay, now we're going to put in 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, and I'm going to turn the fire down because I don't want it bubbling too much, and 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar. Then we have 1/2 of a serrano pepper minced finely. If you don't like the heat, just leave it out. Now I am going to put in 1/4 cup of orange juice. Now I did use a fresh orange because I am going to add the zest here in a minute, and that was 1 medium orange. Okay, we're going to bring this to a little bit of a boil and we're going to let it simmer for about a minute just till it turns into a syrup. Okay, this has simmered for about 2 minutes. And I'm going to turn it off because it's already turning into a nice syrup. We don't want to overdo it because it still has to go into the oven. And now we're going to add the zest of the 1 orange. And it's so fragrant in here. It smells delicious. And I'm going to transfer y'all back over to the counter. I have the salmon here. And what I did is I grabbed some paper towels and I just patted it, make sure it's dry completely. And now we're going to take our sauce that we made that now looks like a thick syrup. And we're going to rub it all over. And I have the oven preheating to 375. Okay, don't put too much because this will burn. This is going to go into the oven and I will be right back with the exact time that it took to cook. Oh, and then we're going to put in the jalapeno pieces on top. If you don't want that, you don't have to put it. Okay, there we go. I will be right back to show you when it's ready. Okay guys, this is the salmon that just came out of the oven. It smells delicious. I'm gonna put the timing for the fish and how long it took to cook in the description box. And I do put it in the oven and then I do broil it for about 20 minutes. I will leave it in the description bar, so just take a look there. I hope you give this recipe a try, and if you like it, come back and give us a big old thumbs up. Thank you for watching, guys. Talk to y'all later. Bye.